Many of us college students drink beer. Little do we know how that cheap natural light or Bud Light is made, or what is out there beyond the cheap gas station beer. With many people our age consuming alcohol, a large portion of that alcohol is beer. We really don't know how it's made or the different types of beer available. From college game day to black tie affairs, beer is a staple drink of many people. Beer is a staple choice of drink for many people. I myself drink beer pretty often and have always wondered exactly how it's made and what else is out there beyond the standard beer. First, I will give some facts about beer. All beers are brewed the same way, using a process which is based on a simple formula. The most important factor to beer is the malted grain. Depending on the region, different types of grain may be used to make beer, such as barley, wheat, or rye. Beer brewing is a craft that has a certain formula in order to be perfected. Most beers are made within 1 month from start to finish. There is a wide variety of beer out there to fit almost anyone's taste buds. And here's a nice picture of a mom helping her son do a keg stand. Got some nuns drinking beer. Now that I've given you some fun facts about beer, I'm going to go into the 7-step process in which beer is made. 7 steps may seem like a lot of work for just a can of beer, but in order to get its flavor and taste, that's how it must be done. The first step to the beer making process is milling. This is where barley, malt, and rice are ground and precisely weighed. The second step in beer brewing is mashing, and this is where barley, malt, and rice are mixed with water and they turn into fermentable sugars. The third step is straining, and this is where the combined grain and mash is strained, leaving a sugar-rich liquid called wort. Fourth step in the beer brewing process is adding the worts to brew kettles. Hops are then added, which gives beer the taste. The fifth step is known as primary fermentation. This is where wort is cooled down and clarified, and then yeast is added. This is when the mixture finally turns into beer. The sixth step in the process is known as filtering. This is where the beer stabilizes in flavor and becomes more polished. The seventh and final step in the process is putting in the beer in containers or kegs. Now that we know the 7 steps in the beer making process, I'm going to talk about the different kinds of beer that are out there. Beers can be broken down into 2 large groups, and then they also have subgroups. Ales are the more complex and fuller embodied than lagers. And subgroups of ales are wheats, sours, Belgians, pale ales, stouts, porters, and browns. Lagers are the other type of beer, and they are lighter and more crisp than ales. Pale lagers, bocks, and dark lagers are all included in this category. In conclusion, drinking beer can be great for many occasions. People of many ages also enjoy it, and there's a world of beer out there, so grill and explore it.